Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to adjust TikTok's sounds automatically. By enabling the auto volume adjustment feature, you can enhance your TikTok experience. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. From the bottom drawer, tap on Profile to access your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on them to open the menu options. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy to access the Settings and Privacy options. Step 5. Look for and tap on Playback within the Settings and Privacy menu. Step 6. Within the Playback settings, locate and tap on Auto Volume Adjustment. Enable this feature to let TikTok automatically adjust the volume of the sounds for an optimized listening experience. By adjusting TikTok's sounds automatically, you can enjoy a consistent and balanced audio experience while browsing through your favorite TikTok videos. We hope this guide has been helpful in adjusting TikTok's sounds automatically. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. And remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful TikTok tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy an enhanced TikTok experience.